Hey friends, it's Tracy. I am here for my weekly Monday spending recap. I do have one Happy Meal from my friend Champagne over at Champagne's Corner, and then I do have some fives and some G-Bucks to stuff. So let's just jump right in. We worked our butts off today and cleaned out our garage. We got rid of so much stuff. I was way behind on Liz's let go or owe challenge, and I think I made up for it today because we filled up our whole trash bin with stuff from our garage. So, garage. I feel like I'm blending. I must be talking to Liz too much because she would say garage, and I would say garage. So, whatever. Happy Val. This is from Champagne over at Champagne's Corner. I love Champagne. I can't wait to show you guys what I ordered. So I ordered these from her shop, and I have been so patiently waiting. I am still not spending for August, so don't come at me if you guys are like, you bought on Etsy. I did not. I bought this on the last day of July. So within the parameters of my no spend, yes, because I did not buy it on August 1st. I bought it on July 31st. I know. But my cart is adding up for September. I needed to go in a no spend. I keep adding stuff to my Etsy cart and then taking it out, adding stuff, taking it out, doing the save for later. And yes, that is how I am shopping, but not shopping. I'm not buying anything, but I'm shopping on Etsy. All right, so here are the two things that I bought. I saw this and had to have it. But how cute, honestly. Like, they don't come painted, and I was tempted to, like, do them myself, but she did them for me, and it's so worth it. They're so good. But essentially, you put the little things in a bag, and on the back, they have, like, different numbers. If you get ×2, you draw another tile and double it. So if you got a ×2, 10, that'd be $20. But there's various numbers on here, and I just think it's adorable. And then whatever you save, you write in the little mushroom head until all the mushrooms are filled up. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Just love it. Oh, she has so many good ones out there too. All right, and then the other one I bought was the alphabet one. So I have seen this challenge around in different variations, but I can't resist her wood cutout savings challenge chip things. Like, so again, she made it blue because it's my favorite color and she loves me. And oh, Champagne, she truly spoils me. But these don't have numbers on the back because the letters on the front correlate with a number on the tracker. So it's the alphabet challenge. If you could draw a Z, you save $26. If you draw an M, you save $13, and it's the number that they are in the alphabet. Total is $351. I love this. Oh, so good. Oh, yes, anything she makes with her little wooden, I don't even know what she does. She could just take a log from the backyard of her house and start whittling, which I know she doesn't do, but you could do that. You can get creative, but these are just, oh, so adorable. And of course, I picked the A5 size. Did these have a size? A5 or A6? I don't even remember. I picked what I picked. I ordered and I got what I wanted. These are so good. So I'll make sure to link her channel if you're interested in anything similar. I can't resist. I have one G-Buck and one $5. I know. Groceries have been getting more and more expensive. And I used to get like a bunch of dollars and $5 back. And I feel like I'm like spending so much more at the grocery store. And I don't like it. I don't like it. There, that makes more sense. All right, let's do my $5 one first. So this is my You Had Me at Tacos and Cheers to the Freaking Weekend. This is from Erica Budgets. She made this. It's so good. I'm doing $5 for each taco, $5 for each drink. Slow and steady, I am saving this money up. We are going to add one $5 bill, so we'll add one taco today. Since there's more tacos than drinks, I'm kind of like favoring the tacos a little bit more. When it's all done, I think it saves $325 or $350. I can't remember. But all I do is whenever I go to the grocery store and I get change back, so if my total at the grocery store is $112 and I get $7 back, I put the 5 towards this challenge and the singles towards my Letterbucks challenge, and then G-Bucks are special, so I pull those out separately. So I am still saving my single dollar bills, and I do that stuffing once a month. And then those go into my different emergency fund categories. But for G-Bucks, they're going towards my new puppies. So let's count the tacos before we get to G-Bucks. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. $195. Oh, if we had one more 5, we'd be at 200. But that's just from collecting $5 from going to the grocery store. Like, how cool is that? I think it's cool. All right, that one is done. Now for my G-Bucks. I got a G-Buck back in my groceries, and it finishes off this bundle. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, no. No, the zipper came off. Sorry. I had to take a pen. So this got sealed shut and the zipper thing came off. And yeah, it was hard to get off. Next time, just grab from this side. I literally was taking my pen from Erica over at Black and Blue and like shoving it in there till I could get it to pop open. But we should have our last G-Buck to finish off this 25 G-Buck bundle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So I have this awesome G paper clips that I got from Lizzie over at Busy Lizzie's Budget, who just got back from her vacation, and I am thoroughly jealous of seeing some of her pictures. Just, oh, it was great for their family to get away, but I don't know why she didn't try to sneaky me in her luggage. I feel like, you know, Full House Stephanie Tanner, where she's like, how rude. That's how I feel. Okay, so I save all of my G-Bucks, and look at all these bundles, you guys. This is going to go towards a new puppy for me. For the longest time, I couldn't decide what I wanted to do with these, and now I like made it official. It's going towards new puppies, and I couldn't be more excited. And now I get like extra giddy when I find a G-Buck because these are seriously adding up. I do have bonus G-Bucks in here, but these are like the super crispy good ones. And I don't know, I'm just kind of saving them. I also have my $2 bills in here and this random really old 10, but I like it and I don't want to get rid of it. And I also have this really cool folded up $1 dress that Brenda LaBelle made for me. Which she says is a G-Buck, but because she made it into a dress, like, I can't. All right. So how much have we saved for puppies now that I added another bundle? All right, so we got 25, 50, 75, 100, 25, 50, 75, 200 G-Monies, 25, 50, 75. We have $275 in G-Bucks. I'm so, oh, yes. Come here, my puppies. I mean, I need a lot more still, but like, dang, like in a year, about a year's worth of time, a little bit over a year, that's how many I have collected. And granted, most of them are coming from you guys. Like, let's be honest. You guys are spoiling me. I am finding some. So like, some are mine, but most of these are not. Oh, I just can't wait. I can't wait. So I will clean this off and get it ready for next time we have G-Bucks. And let's go over my spending for the week. All right, so here's where we're at. So typically for spending, I have cash that I use for grocery money, And that's my only cash category. The reason I use grocery money as cash is because it keeps me better in line with budgeting. If I just use my card at the grocery store, I tend to just blow the budget every single time. There's something about physically only having so much money and going to the store and not putting stuff in your cart because you don't want the embarrassment of not having enough money that holds me accountable with cash. Every other category, I use my card, and then we pay off the statement balance and just collect the points. Now, that can be a slippery slope, and we have had a couple months now where we've gotten a little excited for like eating out and going to the bar, and we had our trip and the credit card got used a little bit more, so we're trying to hone in again. All right, so Sunday, no spend. I don't even know how this happened. I don't even know. I'm excited. Just you wait. Monday, so went to Hy-Vee, got groceries, $178. I feel like groceries are getting so expensive, and I know, like, it's been doing that forever, but I don't like it. All right, pizza, $34. We did get some pizza carry out, and it was delicious. Chick-fil-A, $3. I know, I needed some waffle fries. I was on the phone, and I drove right by it, and I was like, swinging. I'm like, waffle fries, please. They're like, here you go. Delicious. No regrets, but it really didn't need to happen. Tuesday was Caribou. I spent $9 to pick up a coffee for my husband. He also had a haircut appointment, so that was $45. And Cheers was $59. So it must have been Caribou in the morning because he had a headache. And then he went and got a haircut. And then we went to Cheers. I think that's what we did that day. I don't even remember, but I think that's what happened. All right, Wednesday, no spend. Awesome. Thursday, this is where we get a little crazy. Amazon, $7. I can't remember what I bought, but I needed something. Tacos, $80. I know, I was really craving tacos. And then Cheers, $54. So we had a busy work week, and I was like, I actually could go for a drink tonight. And my husband's ears perked up and was like, like, you want to go? Let's go. So we went to Cheers, $54, but we're like, we're only going to have drinks here because we're going to get tacos on the way home. Well, we decided to do a sit-down restaurant with tacos, and then my husband had another margarita and a beer, and I had a pop, and we both had dinner, and all of a sudden it was $80. After tip. And I was like, oh my gosh, like, when did this get so expensive? But everything's getting expensive. Like, it just, I know, I have to get over it. So our night out was $134. Date night. But we had a great time. All right, Friday. So I went to Target. I spent $15. I needed to get some last minute grocery items for our meals that we were making this weekend. And then Liz. If you did not watch her video, Liz and Les, about her very intimate video about something that she was going through, and she was gonna quit YouTube, quit Etsy, I was freaking out. It's my friend. Like, oh, Liz, oh my God. I was like having this internal battle with myself. Like, I'm like pretty much begging her to stay. And so I needed to basically shove food in my face and eat my feelings. So I got Five Guys, which was greasy burger. I did get without a bun because they don't have gluten-free buns. And then just fries. I sat there and shoved that food in my mouth while still begging Liz to come back. My husband did go to Cheers because I dropped him off. And, oh, this was the day I returned my clothes. Hey, update, I returned those clothes and got the $150 back. I know my husband went to Cheers that night because I dropped him off, went to go return the clothes, talked to Liz, had to eat my feelings at Five Guys, and then I picked him up. But there wasn't a charge on the credit card, so I don't know if he used his own money, because whatever he spends for his own money, we both get our mad money. I don't track that because that's his money to spend. So I'm wondering if he used his own card, because I know he went there. Anyways, Liz is coming back. All is right in my world, and I couldn't be happier. Saturday, no spend. I know. Yesterday, I did not leave the house at all. Like, it wasn't even I ran to my post office box. Nope, I didn't do nothing. I sat on the couch and did almost nothing. We did make these awesome Turkish kebabs. Oh, they were so good. But we had already bought all the stuff we needed for them. And so we marinated those in the morning. That's why I had to run to Target, because I needed some yogurt and I needed a couple other things. But oh, they were so good. We had rice and pita bread and these Turkish kebabs, which made out of chicken thighs. Oh, they're so good. But I literally did nothing. Now, today is Sunday while I'm recording, and we made up for it. Like, and in hindsight, I would have split the difference and done a little bit on Saturday out in the yard and a little bit on Sunday. But no, today we decided to go all in. We're going to wake up. We're going to go at 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. is our cleaning time. I had to run to the hardware store because we needed furnace filters, which this is all going to be on Sunday. So I don't know why I'm telling you this now, but, and we needed more weed whip string to go into our weed whip or weed whacker, whatever you guys call it. I always called it weed whacker growing up. I think my husband called it weed whip. And then since we've been married forever, you just kind of adapt different words. We cleaned out our whole garage. We pulled all the weeds. We trimmed trees. We mowed the yard. I am exhausted. So I could have balanced it out a little bit better, but no. So Sunday you'll see some spending, but Saturday, nothing. For the week, we spent $501. This is right on target. I always want us to be around $500 a week. Would I like less? Yes. But realistically, we eat out, we go to the bar, we do shop. Like, we are not a rice and beans. We are budgeting, but being thoughtful and realistic with our budget. And these are just spending that we do. So if I can stick around $500, I'm a happy camper. Last month was just too crazy town for me that we needed to kind of get back on track. So super excited about it. Anyways, that's all I got for today. I need to go to the grocery store, and then I'm going to go sit my butt on the couch for probably the rest of the night. And I might even pick up a dessert because I feel like, I don't know, I earned it. Does anyone like do a bunch of work and then feel like they treat themselves by shoving food in their mouth? Just me? Okay. All right. Well, thank you guys. Thank you. I'm super excited for my puppy fund. Oh, you guys are amazing. Honestly, 90% of those G-Bucks is you, and I can't thank you enough. Also, I just released those new savings challenges, and you guys are showing up. And as someone who's on a no spend this month, and if you're on a no spend also, do not go shop my shop. You can wait till September. We are doing this together. I am so tempted by all the new things that are coming out, but we're going to do this. But those that are not on a no spend, thank you. I just appreciate you. And I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.